So now let's look at our 3D model tab in our project tree. So what we're seeing here is the model that was uploaded. It's the Office Construction BIM model, and this is uploaded from Navisworks. So we can see the extensions of all the files that were loaded up inside that Navisworks file, and let's take a look at this by jumping into our 3D model view. So we're looking at the same vantage point, and as we go through, we can take a look at all the different components here. And visibility, it's just as simple as clicking the eye menu to either hide or show the different components. If you choose the view and show on the top level of the tree, it turns everything on and off. If we look, for example, at the drawing here, and we turn this on and off, we're not seeing the components. Actually, there's some over here you can see. Let's try a different one. You can see the components toggling on and off. So we've got the concrete, the floor and the ceiling. And here we've got some of the equipment. And we can go through and toggle these off independently. So we're going to get rid of the piping that you see here, toggle it back on. You can also go through and select components as well. So I'm just going to navigate through the model to over here. Now, if we look at this piping here, if I right click on the component, you can see that it's highlighted the component in the model. And if I look over here, you can see that there's this, it's highlighted the actual piece within the Navisworks file. So if I turn that off, you'll see that it's hidden just the insulation in this particular case. And we can see the pipe underneath it. If we go up to the top level above that parent node, you can see that we're turning the insulation off for the whole run. And if we want to turn the piping off, we just simply go up one to the pipe node, and we can turn that on and off. You can also click particular components. So I'm just going to right click here, and I can just go straight to the Select Parent tab. So if I wanted to turn off just one face, you can do it. You can see it's turning this off in sections, or you can turn the whole thing off here. I'm going to keep this off, and then we can kind of navigate through the points here or through the model. And let's take a look over here. So here I'm going to right click, and it's telling me that this is the elevator. If I turn this on and off, you can see just that one elevator door turns on and off. We can toggle these on and off here. Or if we want to turn them all off, we just go up to the parent node and we can turn those off too. And continuing through the model, I'm just going to right click on one piece of pipe here, and we're going to select the parent tab, and we're going to turn that off as well. So controlling the visibility of the objects in your model is very simple, just by using the 3D model tab to locate and isolate either by a whole group or by an individual component.